The Hybrix token is a cross-ledger coin, technically borderless, not restricted to any single distributed ledger. Every distributed ledger and blockchain has its own strength. The Hybrix token gives the access to all these benefits as it exists on top of all distributed ledger systems. The Open Hybrix protocol enables the free transport of value between all the distributed ledgers, a welcoming addition next to the possibilities of atomic swaps and DEXs. At this time, Hybrix is currently supporting up to 32 blockchains and 391 tokens. Now the best part of the Hybrix that it is open and inclusive. Decentralization for everyone back to the blockchain ideals. Hybrix is open source, non-profit and inclusive by design.
Feel uninvited.
Hybrix is the multi-blockchain platform that empowers the freedom of transaction. It's entirely free. You have the right to freedom of transaction to freely transfer value whenever and however you see the fit, in either physical or digital form. Before the inception of Bitcoin, commerce on the internet had come to almost exclusively rely on the centralized institutions, serving as trusted third parties to process the electronic payments. But now, Hybrix proposes a means to interconnect most ledger technologies and hereby safeguard and expand your freedom of transaction. Here you can see each and everything on the main platform. Right now this token is available on some good exchanges and also it is available on the CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, so you can check each and every data of HY token. Basically the HY token will be used as a store of value and as a currency for the token sales. Okay, there will be a limited supply of 21 million tokens with a deflationary emission curve as homage to a Bitcoin. High token is an ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in any ERC20 sporting wallet. And here you can see the entire data of the Hybrix HY token on the CMC CoinMarketCap, and here you can see all the market pairs. Right now this token is available on multiple exchanges, so you can easily purchase this token and you can easily hold this token in any ERC20 wallet. Now I will share the best part of the High token. It is basically the token on all chains, technically borderless, not restricted to any single distributed ledger, all chains in one solution. Hybrix's main focus is based on the blockchain ideals and they do not seek to make a profit with the open source code base. They got the recognition from the parties that are committed to a better internet for the years, SIDN and NLNet. You can also conclude, or you can say about the Hybrix, that it is a peer-to-peer token protocol across multiple ledger systems. So you can utilize this token everywhere, and especially for the transactions, especially for the sending money, it is entirely very easy for you to utilize the Hybrix because the fee is very low and the fast time. That is a great thing about the Hybrix. Now at the end, it's my time to tell you my own price prediction about the Hybrix token HY. Right now the price is about 1.33 or 1.35 on some different exchanges, but as you can see the supply is entirely low, so definitely the price will increase very soon, and as per my own price prediction, this token will go up to minimum $18 to $20 in next 1 month. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. I will share the link in the description, and if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with friends.